let's understand about drill down, drill up and drill through. So basically if we are having this particular chart and inside that we want to add the functionality of drill, so we can go and select here the hierarchies. So right now if we go and see, then you can see on x axis only the start of week is mentioned here. However, if on x axis we put the hierarchy from our calendar table, so this is our calendar table. Inside that table you can see we are having the hierarchy of year, start of week and date. So let me just go and select that. Once we do that, you can see that there are options showing up for drill up and turning on the drill down and drilling at the lowest level of data. These options are showing. So right now let's do one thing to have a drill up here. So you can see the data points in 2022, 23 and 24. Now what we can do, we can go and start drilling. So if we click to drill to next level, you can see the data based upon July, January and July 24 and so on are showing. Now if we want to drill even more inside these months, so we can click on go to the next level in the hierarchy, and you can see that the next level of data is showing for a particular start of the week, which is 21st of February 2024. So in this way we can use the drill down and drill up. Also there are important functionality such as if we go here on a upside and let's add to our, I can say, hierarchy the month level as well. Right now if you see, this hierarchy is only having the year, start of the week and date. Instead of that, let's go and put the start of the month into this hierarchy as well. So we go here and add to hierarchy. Now you can see, wait for a second, this is getting updated. You can see that start of the month is also showing here. We need to rearrange them as well. So let's go to our data model. Inside our data model we can rearrange them. So here we come to our calendar lookup table. Inside the calendar lookup table, year hierarchy we can see here, and inside this year hierarchy there is the option of rearranging. So we don't want it to show by start of week, so we remove the start of week and we want the hierarchy in the form of year, month and date, as you can see, and we click on apply level changes, and here you can see now this will be showing post apply changes in the form of year, month and date. As you can see, let's update it to month. Now this is looking fine. Yeah, wait for a moment, then year, month and date, this is showing good. Now let's go to our report view here. Inside our report view, let's add our hierarchy. So let's remove it first and let's add the data from our calendar lookup table, and inside that year hierarchy we are selecting. Once we do that, you can see we are at the lowest level of hierarchy where the date wise data is showing. Let's come to the drill up at the highest level and years are showing now. Now if we go to the next level, you can see that on a month basis data is showing. This is July, January, June, because this line is showing a lot of months. So now April, and even if we can make it little bit smaller here, so you can see July, October, January and so on. We want to drill it more down, then we can click on that as well. Then at a very smallest level we can see the data. Now there is another option of click to turn on drill down. So if we click on that, what will happen, let's see. So we are at this particular level. Now if I click on any particular area, I am clicking on 2023 right now. So when we click on that, entire 2023 data is showing here based upon the click on this chart only. Now inside that chart, if we want to click on 1st August 2023, then if I click on that, then you can see entire August month data is showing, because 1st August reflected my entire month's data, start of the month. Similarly, let me just go up here again, and right now if I select 2023 again here, and I want to get the data of entire September month. So this is our September month, this is the start of the month, so entire September month data is here. When I click on it, then you can see the entire September month this data is showing on 1st September, on 3rd September, 4th, on 2nd September there might not be any transaction. So we can click on the chart as well to get the data, as you can see right now. So there are the options, and if we just remove this click option, then based upon this click nothing will happen. I am clicking here, nothing will happen. So there are two options, either we can use these drill up drill down options, or we can keep it on, and based upon our selection we can get the data. So just like if I click on 2024, then based upon 2024 entire 2024 data is showing. Now if I want to get the data for October, if I click here, you can see October data is showing. So this is all about drill up drill down. Let's go further and understand about drill through as well. So right now if you see, this is our product dashboard, and inside that there are subcategories mentioned and all the details are mentioned. However, our management want to get the data. For example, if they click on any particular item in the dashboard here, let me just show you. So if our management click on the codes, then they need to know all the details about those codes inside this product dashboard. So how can we achieve that? Let's go to our product dashboard here. Inside this product dashboard there is an option of I can say format. Inside that there is an option of page information. In that information we can say that page type should be drill through. Drill through means that when we will be selecting any subcategory inside our summary dashboard, that will come here and show the details, and we want to drill through here through, let's suppose, our subcategory name. So we selected it and clicked on subcategory name here. Once we do that subcategory name, you can see there is an option of back arrow here, which we don't need at the moment, so let's just remove that. Also we don't want to show the subcategories here, so I have removed that as well. Now when I removed, entire data for the current month is showing here. Now if you go to our dashboard, and let's suppose our management want to understand the t-shirt product details, so we do a right click here, and when we do, there is an option showing now drill through, and this will be just taking us to the product dashboard. When we click on here, you can see that these data points have been updated, and these are showing only the details for that t-shirt, because we have drilled through the t-shirt option here. Let's go again here and let's try to drill through the blazers. So we click here and we do a drill through and go to our product dashboard here. Now you can see these are the details for a blazer. These are targets versus actual, our revenue, and quantities sold over the period. Now it may be sometimes confusing that no name is written here, so let's do and bring the name. Let's write the KPI card here, and that would be more helpful. And inside this KPI card, let's bring the name and add the field as subcategory name. So this is our subcategory name, and this is showing blazers. Also inside this subcategory, let's format it little bit. We don't want to show the first category subtitle here. So let's let's go to these call out values, and inside those call out values, let's go to the category label. It will help us to update that. If I close that, now category label has been removed, and this is our blazers. And 1 second, that looks fine. Now let's give one more try here, and if this time the management want to know the details of our product, actuals versus target, and their revenue of our dresses. So we do a right click on dresses and do a drill through to the product dashboard, and here you can see now the dresses are showing, and inside that we can see that our target was 14 quantity, but we sold only 13 quantity. Also our revenue quantity sold trend line is showing here. So this is a great way to get an entire insight about any particular line item or any particular subcategory, product or category in our Power BI table. I hope you understood this, and thank you so much for watching.